I don't know about you, but I found this to be too labor intensive. I have to actually move around myself with my own hand. That's not right. Gotta be automatic. So you must have wondered, can I make it go around by itself? And the answer is yes. So I'd like to show you how to do it. So let's open a new one and adjust to the right size. Okay, so how do you construct it? I will close this. Well, you need to have the thing called slider. So you got to choose the slider and have it here. Now you will control angle, so I will have angle here, and 0 to 360 is fine. Increment of 1 degree. And slider would be horizontal, that's fine with me. And animation, oscillating is not right because it will go back and forth. We'll just keep going like that. Okay, so let's see how it works here. So we got this slider, click here, and then you will see it's sliding. So what? What does it do? Well, it will become meaningful if you start making this graph, the pictures out of the slider. So I will show you how to do it. First, we need to have this steady axis. So I will have to go from here to here, and then I will have it go from here to here. Okay, so I got those two axes, and I will have it intersect at the cross section of these two. So there we go. Okay, so I will make an angle. Let's make a circle too. So circle, center that here, and somewhere along this axis. Here we go. I was careless. I didn't make a unicircle because I can move around anytime. Okay, now I'm going to construct an angle based on this angle here. So you go to angle here and say angle with given size. And it will go from here, and this is the vertex of the angle. And then where does it go? It will ask you, what angle do you want? I say, I don't want any angles. Erase that. Instead, I want the angle alpha. So you got to match this variable name here. Happen to be alpha. Very nice, handy. Okay, now this angle is that angle. What does it mean? If I click this arrow and move this guy here, then you see him moving around here. Okay, remember in the beginning when we were constructing this unit circle in the other module, I just picked one point on the circle and I constructed sine, cosine, tangent based on that. Instead, this time you do it here. That way, whatever you do will move around with you. So when you define the angle, you go from here to that point. All right? Now, if you construct a sine, you would make a perpendicular line with this axis and this point, right? So if you do that, and of course you would draw a segment, I will not repeat the whole thing, but you'll see as I move this angle here, it will go around with it, right? Okay, how do you animate this thing? Well, you select this, right click, and choose animation on. So when you do this, it will animate. And here's the pause button if you want to pause, and this will continue. And because I said increasing, it will just keep on going. Basically, it's resetting to 0, but because it's a circular function, it looks like it's smoothly going through, right? It doesn't look like it's resetting and restarting, right? That's the characteristics of a circular function. And if you want to make it go faster, just right-click on this and object property. Then you can decide speed. 1. If you want it slower, then make it 0 point whatever you like. And then you can make it, where did it go? Increasing. If you do this, oscillating. Let me just quickly show you what it looks like. If you make it oscillating, it will oscillate. Take a look. Ooh, that's not right, right? That's why I made it increasing. So with this, you can construct all 6 trigonometric functions just like this, and you will be able to just play them at your leisure.